Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Sloane. I'm the public programmer here at the Port Colborne Historical and Marine Museum, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some salt dough ornaments for your holiday decorations. Here's what you'll need: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of salt, cinnamon, and 1 cup of cold water. First, combine your dry ingredients. You can also add things like clove, allspice, and vanilla to this mixture if you'd like your ornaments to have a certain smell. Next, slowly add in your water, a few tablespoons at a time, and mix. You might need to switch to your hands if you don't have a stand mixer. Once all of the water is combined with your dry ingredients, move your dough onto a floured surface and knead for 10 minutes. After kneading your dough, roll it out to a thickness of 1/8 of an inch and cut out your gingerbread men. Make sure to poke a hole at the top for your string. Bake the salt dough at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours or until the dough is cooked through. Let your dough cool completely, thread twine or string through the hole, and hang on your tree. You can add decorations to your gingerbread men or leave them how they are. Thank you so much for joining me today for another holiday craft, and have a happy holidays.